You are my best friend and we've got some shit to shoot.
We at Zephyr, the Film and Photography Society of College of Vocational Studies, finally bring to you our online photography exhibition, Envision 21. The themes are not just well thought of, but are full of creativity, aesthetics, and spark. Now we present to you the very first theme of our exhibition, 2020 Rewind, that will make you nostalgic extensively.
That I'll keep loving you way past 65.
You know what's the perfect way to describe the year 2020? कभी सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा. The year full of unpredictable happenings, events full of trauma, times full of grief, and many downfalls. We honestly never thought that something could put a hold on a monotonous yet competitive life of us humans and force us to slow down to introspect. Enters the year 2020. Quarantine, lockdown, social distancing, and whatnot. But was it all really that bad? For an instance, social distancing brought us closer to our families and even our friends. Trust me when I say this, because even I used to talk to them a little more than usual. Zephyr finally decided to bring to you all the bittersweet memories of 2020 with a series of pictures put together for you to realize the importance of this year, starting from how we all missed our college wali tapri ki chai to how we ended up killing our sleep for that one last game of Among Us. Did bring some old memories back, right? Well, that's not just it. This year, we also have for you an original Zephyr production, a film full of perfect comic timings, rage, rap, relief, and realization. Trust me when I say, you cannot afford to miss this.
Don't you wanna meet me at the bar? Yeah. Don't you wanna meet me at the
When God blesses you with wealth and resources, health and happiness, it becomes your duty to help the ones who are devoid of such things. While most of us fail to understand this, some people dedicate their lives for the happiness of others. This year, we have dedicated one of our themes to such unsung heroes. In our theme, Photography with a Purpose, we have covered a wide spectrum of stories of organizations and individuals who are working not only for the prosperity of humankind, but also for the happiness of every living being. Team Zephyr salutes these torchbearers of humanity and feels truly honored to share their stories with you.
Sometimes places that hold innumerable stories are forgotten by us with the passing of times, and we often fail to appreciate the value they have. With the aim of gaining a deeper insight on some of the populous states of India like Jharkhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Uttarakhand and Rajasthan, we at Zephyr are introducing Discovering My Locality as one of the themes for Envision 21. Here, we delve into the hearts of these states to capture its essence and pride and to bring forth a new perspective. In these times of COVID, where being stuck within the boundaries of our homes has become the new normal, come along in this journey with us through rivers and forests and experience the thrill of traveling once again.
Cyber warfare, as the title suggests, is a science fiction and fantasy-based theme where we satisfied our creative hunger for photo and video manipulation, morphing, surrealism, etc. Cyber warfare depicts the story of an infamous group named Zephyr that has taken over the entire city to rebel against the orthodox bureaucracy. They are challenging the government for suppressing their right to be heard and their voice of reason. It is a reflection of the current scenario wherein we are often expected to conform to medieval societal norms and celebrate mediocrity, instead of embracing one's own self and breaking barriers. These no rebels without a cause, they stand with their heads held high and believe in changing the world with their liberal and free mindset. The theme has interactive sections wherein you can choose your cyber warrior and be a part of this movement of change. So, be a part of this change and enjoy the neo-liberal cyber culture Zephyr has to offer.
That's the way it goes.